Welcome to installing flex springs. Let's jump right into it. First, you will need to access the locking block under your pelvic cushion. Loosen the bolt from the end of the locking rod and both of the collars on either side. Once complete, remove the top collar and keep in a safe spot. Loosen the tension and lock back down in an elevated position. It is helpful to lock this in the hole at the end of the rod. Now we are going to remove the cotter pin from the bottom of the tension rod. If you wish to reuse this, please do so carefully. Unthread the tension rod from the spring shaft. Stop once you are able to see the hole protruding from the other side. Connect one of the new tension springs to one side of the table as shown. Now, on the other side, we are going to hook the bottom of the spring first and use leverage to get the spring up and over the top bar. Be sure the springs are between the small nubs on top of the bar as shown. Increase the tension on the springs until the small hole is back on the bottom side of the spring shaft. Insert the cotter pin into the hole and bend around the threaded rod. Make sure to nip the non-looped end of the cotter pin. Now loosen your tension from the flex shaft and make sure you have desired movement. Lower the end of the bed, lock handle, and set your collar to stop the bed from coming into contact with the base of your table. Loosen the handle and set lock again once the table is flat and parallel to the ground. Set your top collar tight against the block. Now, reinstall the bolt and nut at the end of the shaft. Make sure to lock this down tight. Thanks for watching. For any further questions, please reach out to our Elite Tech team.